an oversized pair of nail clippers, except with a blade on the edge.
It might.
Like, you'd have it on a pole and you could twist it around and it would stop because of the friction between the pole and the blade. Tell me that wouldn't work.
You could stop.
Just need some kind of arm guard so it would cut your arm off.
You would need to show me like a visual. Oh, you mean sort of like a blade's like a frickin'
You know what nail clippers look like?
Yeah.
Just that, but bigger.
Like half of one. Like half, like the blade that pinches down on the other blade. Like take one of those blades and use a big version of that. Is that what you're saying?
Pretty much.
Okay, yeah, that might work actually. Oh my God. Is this actually like a trail?
Yeah.
Yay, let's skip down it. Y'all are no fun.
Yeah, I've got the ceiling window for Sebastian.
Where are we going? What are we doing?
You have to watch.
What?
If we're not dying, then go ahead.
Couldn't we? Hey,
Go off
Brendan.
that shade.
I don't know. What chain?
It's on the jacket.
I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway.
Oh, that got me.
Oh.
What do you want?
You know more about the editing and what process than I do. So.
Chelsea knows more about the editing and the process than I do. She's the one who did it.
I was just gonna ask, couldn't we still use the pictures that we have since they're not the same?
Pictures were fine.
Okay.
Pictures are better than anything like that.
Well then we don't need anything in terms of pictures. Just,
No, but they want.
oh, we don't want to.
Alright, people, can we do this before we all pass the fuck out?
I think I'm pretty close.
Okay, you.
Especially since I have like...
Don't throw the chainsaw down until you're a bit closer to me. No, we're pretty hungry. Okay.
I've eaten 2 vitamins.
Okay.
She called me a dumbass last night. She called me a dumbass last night. Didn't you, Amber? You called me a dumbass. Said it like that, too. Like a dumbass.
If you look extremely closely, you'll see metal handrails that were a rarity in parks of the 19th century.
Wait, what?
You'll see rails and lighting fixtures, if you look really closely, that were a rarity in 19th century European parks.
Well, we're doing the best we can. Oh, wow. I don't think there's
We have time jump. I'm pretty much helpless at this
I didn't
point.
even notice them until I really looked at the
Like that thing next to the tree. It looks like a lighting fixture. It's actually an oddly shaped well.
Where?
That black thing by the tree.
Oh, it's in the bush. I just noticed it. Brendan's just like, nah.
doing
it's
that.
cooler over here.
In the shade? Very surprising.
No, like over this area. There's shade over there, but it's colder over here.
This is deeper shade. It's been shadier longer.
It's been shadier longer over here.
Yeah. Right.
I hate mosquitoes.
Who doesn't?
Fucking die.
Carry
You, Yellow Jacket, I will
They carry
kill you.
West Nile. Yeah, and then you'll sink your foot into a nest, and then we'll all be running.
Yep.
Bam! Oh. What's your wow. Hey, what's that? Hey, what's that? Hey, what's that?
Hold on. Call a tie.
Hey, what's that?
I didn't even look down.
Yep.
Ah.
Step back.
And then do costume changes.
Okay. Sab's like,
I'm normally not
Glad
this
can we start
aggressive,
now?
but I'm just killing things left and right.
Alright.
Mostly ants.
I'm gonna be so sweaty when I get into my bowl.
Did you just pull a knife out of your chest?
Oh, you brought your ball going?
Oh my
It
god.
bit-
When I bought
It bit you!
and a hat.
Oh my god, you're gonna transform at the next full moon.
Okay.
And my Cielo Wonderland and my female demon Cielo.
Female demon CL. Don't, oh god.
funny when-
Why are you doing that?
Because-
And the
Jesus.
glasses with the chain
Jesus,
and the
help. Oh my
mask.
god, why? I don't want to see that.
You okay?
Yeah. And the bunny ears.
Oh god.
Really?
Oh god.
Like on the Oh yeah. I've been like showing Brittany pictures of this stuff and then
Is that how I'm walking? Swag. I'm so old. Look, there's another one, but it fell down.
Where?
Right there, in front of the tree. Right there, in front of the tree.
What?
A light.
Black thing?
Yeah.
Oh. Little lampy lamp.
Unless it's supposed to be down, but no, you can see where
I
they
don't know.
stick.
Alright,
stick
get ready.
Get. Go.
I gotta stay over here.
Well, then get over there.
I'm trying to figure out how to make my shoes tall. I thought that happened naturally. Didn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's
I'm recording.